Me know say it's an extraterrestrial life form a ghost right film. Me just can't prove it. Him say, Uno don't thief that laugh ya. And guess what everybody do?
They stole it?
You better know, though. What? While incarcerated, he raise up one woman we come from London. And me there can't even get one girlfriend in my village. Ref, all that fear! You didn't know say him cause the clocks wearing pandemic at Jamaica?
Of course.
Me too. You know, sister from what year? Him and his wife see them take over TikTok now. When the ras me I do ya then. In the rich when he incarcerated, you know? But now in their road, he get richer and rest. When I grow up, I wanna be just like him.
Aren't you already grown?
Say another word if you think about it. Him sell out Barclays twice. I mean I can't get one somebody to buy a pair of pillar from me. Ref! You know Eminem the rapper, don't?
Of course, who doesn't?
Well, VYBZ Cartel are the dancehall version. The man said him could have never rat. Him travel through the Tesseract. Victory every day in chain and shake to him chest and that.
Damn.
Watch your gal, him still a open door, that door they never lock.
What?
Him nah have no rotten teeth, but every minute is another plaque. Gold there so, silver there so. All good thing them sell a Travel everywhere him go all country when no make it. Bumble hole who no have to go make another map.
Tough.
Ref.